Dear student, welcome to my online maths class. Today I am going to show a very interesting way to find the values of trigonometrical ratios. So for this, first of all, we have to write here square root of 0 by 4, and then we will write square root of 1 by 4, and then we will write square root of 2 by 4, then square root of 3 by 4, and then square root of 4 by 4. So we can see that here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the denominator is always 4, 4, 4, and here it is square root. So that one we have to remember by any means. And then we'll write here 0 degree, then here it is 30 degree, then 45 degree, then 60 degree, and 90 degree. And then we'll write here one by one. First we'll write sine, then cos, then tan, then we'll write cot, then sec, and cosec. Now we see that sine 0 degree is square root of 0 by 4. So we know that 0 by anything equal to 0. So square root of 0 is 0. It means sine 0 degree is 0. Then sine 30 degree. Sine 30 degree is square root of 1 by 4. And the square root of 1 by 4 is 1 by 2. So we'll write here 1 by 2. And then square root of 2 by 4. 2 by 4 is half. Square root of half is 1 by root 2. So we'll write here 1 by root 2. And then square root of 3 by 4. So square root of 3 by 4 is root 3 by 2. So we'll write here root 3 by 2. And sine 90 degree is square root of 4 by 4. 4 by 4 is 1. And square root of 1 is 1. And in case of cos, we just reverse the values of sine. Mean cos 0 degree will be equal to sine 90 degree. Mean just we will reverse it. So we'll put here first, in the last it is 1. So in case of cos, we'll write first 1. And then we'll come in this way. So it is root 3 by 2. We'll write here root 3 by 2. And then 1 by root 2. After this, then half. And then we'll write here 0. So we got the values of cos also. Now in case of tan, we know that tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. So just dividing the values of sine by the values of cos. So for tan 0 degree we will get 0 by 1. So 0 by 1, 0 by anything equal to, we know that 0. So it is 0. Then half divided by root 3 by 2. So it is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. And same thing divided by same thing equal to 1. And then root 3 by 2 divide half equal to root 3. So tan 60 degree is root 3. And tan 90 degree. Tan 90 degree equal to 1 by 0. So 1 by 0, we know that 0 by 1 equal to 0 by anything equal to 0. But anything divided by 0 is infinity. So we can write infinity, or undefined also we can write. Now in case of cot, we can, in the similar way as I reverse the values of cos with sine, then we can reverse here the values of cot with tan. So we can write here first infinity, and then root 3, after this 1, then 1 by root 3, and here it is 0. Now sec. In case of sec, we know that sec is the inverse of cos. Sec is the inverse of cos. So the values of cos we know. Now sec is 1 by 1. So 1 by 1 is 1. Then root 3 by 2. So the inverse of root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. So we'll write 2 by root 3, and 1 by root 2 is root 2. Then half is 2, and 0. 0 means 0 by 1. So 0 by 1 equal to, we know that 0 by 1 is infinity. So we'll write infinity. Then it is 2. And in case of cosec, just reverse the values of sec. So we'll write here infinity, and then 2. After this, we'll write root 2, then 2 by root 3, and then 1. So these are the values. So I think it will be helpful for you. Thank you.